to answer that question, I come to Goa to lift the trophy. This is my first and my only goal there. I come to win. I will not be happy with anything else than to lift the trophy in the end of this edition of ISL. I think that the Goan fans and the city, the state already deserve to be champion of ISL, and we will work everyone in the team to finally give this happiness to our beloved fans. Hello Sheldon, George, Mohit, bring some quality players with you. Well, I'm sure that our administration is doing the best to bring the best players to this edition of this year. It will be very important. What is the only thing you missed the most about Goa? Well, the thing that I missed the most about Goa is, without a question, the fans. As I told before, the fans of Goa for me are the best in India, and the best I have ever had in my career. I really miss them a lot, and it's fantastic to have this opportunity to come back and to play in the place that I can call already home. I feel really at home in Goa, and all of that because of the fans. Of course, the Goa as itself, it's an amazing place also they have amazing beaches, a fantastic place to go on vacation, but which is not the case. I don't go there to vacation, I go there to work and I come to win. And this is very straight. There is no any other way. For me, vacations will be after I lift the trophy in the end of the year. About the new coach, well, I know that he have very good CV. I don't know him yet personally, but I'm sure that I will have the opportunity to do it very soon. But I mean, his CV speaks for himself. It's a young coach, full of motivation, and I'm sure that the board of FC Goa make an excellent choice.